guys, today I'm gonna do a quick get ready with me. All the makeup I'm gonna use I think might be Poundland. Well, I know two are going to be Poundland, but I don't know if the lipstick's going to be Poundland. It's a food essential shop today. Matalan reopened and I popped in. I found out basically I found out that Matalan reopened the other day because like we ran out of bin bags and I went out to get bin bags. I just see someone, a person going into Matalan. I was like, what's going on? How's he entered like that? I literally saw that. Oh my goodness, man, that's opened. I was bursting with so much joy, you guys. So yeah, so baby needs new shoes. So today I'm just gonna start off with some sandals and maybe like a nice little top for him. Let's get ready.
Wants me to use the dummy.
You're giving him the dummy.
He wants me to. He's putting it in my mouth.
Is it me or just babies have the cutest legs? Their legs are just so adorable, and and the fingers as well, especially when they start pointing. Like my son's new obsession is just to like point, and like just he's pointing with like these little miniature fingers. So obviously she's got to apply a wig in it. By the way, while we're talking about wigs here, when the wig shop opened, I need a new wig. I need a long wig like this, maybe longer, but I want it long like this, but in black. I don't have a black long wig. I have a short bob type of wig. Well, I'm using the camera as my mirror. That's not gonna work. Like that's not gonna. Where is the mirror? It was. Oh, here it is. I started redecorating my room, and like I started redecorating, shuffling things around. Yeah, I redecorated the room, moved stuff around, especially my dressing table. So soon I will be back upstairs filming this. By the way, this video is like spontaneous. I was like, I'm getting ready. Why not?
Soldier.
Like, yeah, film it. So one of the makeup that I picked up from Poundland was the Bourjois Brow Pomade. Pomade? Yeah, pomade. I'm Congolese, so we would say pomade. Yeah, and so yeah, we pronounce it pomade. I think that's how you should pronounce it. Pomade. When it comes to my brows, I need it to look as natural as it can be. Brows are done. I think I'll probably show you afterwards, like near the sunlight, how it looks. But next, oh yeah, eyeliner. Oh, I picked up this new eyeliner from Poundland, and it's L'Oreal, right? It's kind of like a fabric eyeliner. So like over here, it's literally like if it's fur. Yeah, it's literally fur. See. You can see like eyeliner's transferring. Yeah, so it's not like proper like thin and like wings, so you have to be a pro to use this. But yeah, it's called L'Oreal Superliner Black Velvet. Exactly, it feels like it says black velvet because it feels like, yeah, velvet. That's how it looks so far. I'm gonna finish it off because like, yeah, I can't do makeup like this. I need to go back on my dressing table. So guys, this is it. This is the eyeliner finished. As I said before, it's proper like you have to be a pro to like apply eyeliner with this. And yeah, so like it. I really like it. £1, seriously. If I go into Poundland, I see it again, I might pick it up. Yeah, I like this. Lipstick, I think I'm gonna go for something matte because I'm wearing a face mask. And at the same time, what's the point of wearing lipstick if you're wearing a face mask? Oh, hello. So I'm currently wearing the Bourjois. This is from Poundland. But I'm not gonna wear this wearing out. It's just gonna transfer onto the face mask. But it's the Bourjois Rouge Edition Aqua Lacroix. It's called Vin C2 Roses. 04 Vin C2 Roses. This is up from Poundland a while ago. This is how it looks. Nice, but I think this is probably gonna be like, I'm gonna be indoors. Let me put on some like lipstick on or lip gloss on. So this is how it looks. I like it with this look, but it's not gonna work going out. So I'm gonna use something else that I didn't get from Poundland. So this one is called, I forgot what this are called. It was like during, I think it was 2 or 3 years ago. It was this lip colour and a whole range of them were like literally so popular. And I did like a proper like swatch video of it. I'll probably like link it below. Yeah, I'll link it below or up here. But I've forgotten what it's called. Me Now. Yeah, the Me Now lipstick. Yeah, Me Now lipstick. Yeah, love this. Ooh, I love this. And yeah, it's proper matte. Like literally proper matte. So I'm probably thinking this will work with my face mask. Yeah, I'm gonna try this out. I have more lipstick with my face mask while I'm out. So yeah. So guys, finished look. Yeah, I need to do something about this frizz. I don't know, maybe just let it be. Just let it be. To show you closely the brows, you can see that it just gives you like a natural brow, and that's what I'm looking for. I'm not looking for a harsh brow, just shaped and just natural looking. Yeah, no foundation because when it's like hot weather, I don't wear foundation. Like, I usually wear foundation when it gets to like winter time, or if it's like a grey day. I'm just that type of season person. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the look. I am gonna go and feed these kids, probably myself, probably. See you guys next time. Bye.